So I want to take a second right now and explain my newest keycap pulling device. Yes, Alpha. So this right here is a multi-keycap puller. Now, normally we have either one of these plastic things or a metal piece, which we go by and single-handedly reach in and pull out each key, which is, the way it's been done. It's a little tedious. So, after a lot of designs and then realizing I could do it much more simply, I have made this device from a laser cutter. Basically, it's a wooden dowel, a piece of acrylic, and then this piece right here, which is just a thing to connect each of these two. And then these laser cut acrylic keycap pullers. Now, I'll release all these designs in case you guys want to build one yourself. But basically, the premise of this is you have this dowel and these two stabilizers, which can push down and provide a counterbalance or counterweight to this as you then use your other fingers and pull up on the keys. So basically, it will work like this. And unfortunately, I miscreated these. These were supposed to take up the entire row, but so we'll see if this works. So you line these up, push down, okay. Then you push down here to make sure that you're providing a counterweight so the keyboard does not slide up, and then you basically squeeze together and see if it'll come out now. Now, it works, okay. So, as you can see, it got all but 4 keys, which, it's not 100%, but it's getting there. So, just wanted to show you guys this and see your guys' thoughts. Check out, I will be posting the designs in case you want to create your own, or better yet, modify mine so that these 4 keys don't stay there. Thanks a lot. I'm just going to try one more time to see if it works 100% on this one. So, just line up all these. So ideally you would have just basically one long row of these that doesn't have to be modified at all. Slip it down, pull it up, and even less. But we're getting there.